In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off Storage Sense on your Toshiba laptop, desktop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the search menu and search for storage. Best results, go back to storage settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the right side, underneath Storage Management, Storage Sense, automatically free up space, delete temporary files, and manage locally available cloud content. Toggle that on or off depending on your preference, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.